welcome back to my channel. Teddy Blessings here. Well, as you can see, I am natural. It's been long. I've had straight hair or relaxed hair for almost 7 years, yeah. But then my head and my scalp started reacting to relaxers, so I had to inevitably go natural. But either way, I love my natural head. I do. By the way, this hair is 8 months old. Yes, it is. Let me show you. Yeah. So today I'm just going to show you how I style this hair without actually using gel. Why I hate gel is because it forms some, how can I call them, crumbs? What are they? Yeah, so I don't like using gel. So I'll just be using a few products. I'm going to use water to just make my hair moist and soft. Then I'll use conditioner. This is Movit leave-in conditioner. And then I'll be using hair food, and then I'll be using spray after I've styled my hair, just to enhance the glittering and the shining, I don't think glittering is the right word to use.
So guys, let's get started. I started with splashing water into my hair to make it moist and soft so it could easily absorb the conditioner. And then I added the leave-in hair conditioner. This helps to disentangle, it prevents split ends, and then also smoothens and controls frizzed out hair, leaving it silky, soft, and manageable. I then added my hair food just to add more moisture to my hair. It just also helps moisturize my hair the more. Then I went on to partition my hair. The partitioning is not easy, but with time you get used to it. You see, I also struggled a bit. I had to do it twice. I've seen people do it once and make very neat lines, but to me it's still sort of a challenge. Not that much. I do it, but I have to do it like 2 times for it to come out neat and smart. I added more conditioner to the partition part because I wanted it to be so soft, since I was going to twist it into the bangs. You can see me frowning while combing my hair. Yeah, I really have had fussy hair, and previously I couldn't imagine that I could have my natural hair because of its hard texture. So I started making the twists. See how long my hair is. So guys, I'm done with twisting the bangs. They actually look neat. You can decide to leave it that way. I started combing my back hair. It had dried out a bit by this time, so I splashed it with a little more water just to make it soft and combable. Well, combable. I then used my brush to push the hair upwards into the position of the puff. It was a back puff, not a high puff. So this was the time to hold my hair in a puff position. I use my hairband. You can use anything. You can use a thread. You can use a shoelace. Anything that is available to you. Yeah. So I had to tighten it upwards just to make sure that my hair is held up tight in the position that I want it to be held. I kept on pushing, yeah. Ace, you see the struggle. Yeah, I had to show you the back. To make sure it is also pulled out nicely. Some people use gel. I'm not against it, but I hate it because it flakes. You have to wash your hair often when you use gel, and I don't like it. It actually dries out hair, so I prefer using conditioner and hair food. Sorry. Yeah. So now, after holding my hair in a puff, I started twisting the puff to bring out that design that you saw. I don't know how it is termed, yeah, but you will see it at the end. Yes, I finished twisting the puff. I added a little conditioner in my hair just to make it a little bit sleek. Of course, it isn't sleek until you tie it with a cloth. Yeah, so now it's time to tie my head with this cloth. You can use a bandana, you can use a scarf, you can use anything. I'm sorry, I'm not so much of a person who knows how things are called. I just find myself doing them. So whatever you prefer to use, whatever name you prefer to use, yeah, that's it. And so tie the cloth and leave it for around 10 minutes, I think. Yeah, I left it for around 10 minutes or more, but it was 10 minutes. The 10 minutes, I removed the scarf. Guys, look at how sleek my hair looks. So neat, so tidy, so clean. Oh, so that was left out, but it can still be corrected. Yeah. So I started untwisting the twists, untwisting the bangs. So I had to untwist them and then pick them so it makes fine curls. So while picking out the hair, some of it becomes so fine that it loses the curls. So here I was trying to twist those fine curls to make it more curly. After that, I untwisted the puff. It was so easy to do. So after untwisting it, I also try to pick it out lightly just to make it fall, to avoid that shrinkage. Yeah, it looks like a flower. And like I said, I couldn't forget to spray my hair with the sheen spray to add a little bit of the shine. And guys, this is the end product. I think it's nice and satisfying. Don't you think so? The curls are so nice, the hair is sleek, the puff is so rugged the way I wanted it to look like. I'm so proud of myself. Oh, so guys, this is how you can easily style your fussy natural hair. You don't have to go to the salon to do this. It is very easy and simple, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you get alerted each time I upload a new video. See you in my next video. Bye.